let's cut to the chase. You've probably heard of Acorns. It's that investing app that promises to grow your money while you sip your latte. But here's the burning question. Do you need a traditional bank account to get started? Imagine this. You're sitting on the couch, minding your own business, and suddenly a thought hits you. I should really start investing. But then a tiny voice whispers, what about bank accounts? Aren't those a must? Well, let's clear that up. Acorns is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. And that includes not tying you down to a traditional bank account. Yes, you heard it right. You can actually start investing without one. Acorns understands that not everyone is a fan of traditional banking, or maybe you're just starting out and haven't opened one yet. Whatever your reason, Acorns has got you covered. So, how does it work? Well, when you sign up, Acorns offers a few options to fund your account. You can link a debit card, which could be from a traditional bank or a prepaid card. This is probably the most common way people get started. It's quick, easy, and you're already using that card for everyday purchases. But that's not all. Acorns also allows you to link your PayPal account. So if you're a PayPal enthusiast, you can fund your investments directly from there. It's another convenient way to get your money growing. Now, you might be wondering, what about withdrawals? Do I still need a bank account then? Great question. When it comes to withdrawing your money, Acorns does require a bank account. This is for security reasons and to ensure your funds are transferred safely. But remember, you don't need a bank account to start investing with Acorns. So, why would you choose Acorns over a traditional investment account? Well, for starters, it's incredibly accessible. No need to deal with paperwork, minimum balances, or complex financial jargon. Acorns keeps things simple and straightforward. Plus, it's designed for small, consistent investments. You can start with as little as $5 and let Acorns do the rest. It's perfect for those just starting their financial journey or anyone who wants to build their wealth gradually. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Investing always carries risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. It's essential to do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any investment decisions. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios to suit different risk tolerances. But remember, there's no guarantee of profit. It's crucial to understand that you could lose money. So, is Acorns right for you? If you're looking for a hassle-free way to start investing without the need for a traditional bank account, Acorns is definitely worth considering. But always approach investing with caution and do your due diligence. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.